Welcome. Today, you'll learn how to quickly star emails on the Gmail app, so you can keep your most important messages just a tap away. Starring an email is a simple way to highlight messages you want to find later, perfect for reminders, follow-ups, or anything you don't want to lose in a crowded inbox. Let's get started. First, open the Gmail app on your phone or tablet. Make sure you're signed in to the right account, and you'll land right in your inbox. Now, scroll through your inbox and find the email you want to star. To select it, you can either long press on the email or swipe it, depending on your device and settings. Long pressing will highlight the email, giving you access to more options at the top of the screen. Once the email is selected, look for the three dots menu, also known as the overflow menu, at the top right corner of the screen. Tap on those three dots to open a drop-down list of actions you can take. From the drop-down, simply tap Add Star. The email will now be marked with a star, making it stand out from the rest of your messages. You'll see the star icon appear next to the email, letting you know it's been highlighted. To find your starred emails later, just tap the menu icon in the top left corner of the Gmail app and select Starred. This will show you all the emails you've marked as important in one convenient place. Starring emails is a great way to keep your inbox organized and make sure you never miss a critical message. You can star as many emails as you like, and remove the star at any time by repeating these steps and selecting Remove Star. That's all there is to it. With just a few taps, you can make sure your most important emails are always easy to find. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing.